just want to say how a lovely good Saturday morning it is. So today we've got some destined rival packs to open up, to be exact 5, and I'm gonna have a part 2 later on this next week coming. Don't know exactly when, but I've got another 5 that will be coming in shortly. I just wanted to do this first part today, get these open, see what we get, and yeah. Now, as normal, as what I did last time, I'll be doing code cards for every pack, so you guys can get the cards in the trading card game if you'd like. So here we go. Gosh, I keep messing it up. Code card. There we are. One card to the front. Alright. Electric Energy. Arvin Squavert. Team Rockets Nidoran. Mo Rotom. Growlithe. Misty's Psyduck. Team Rockets Botherbot. Hearth Flame Ogerpon. That's pretty cool. Team Rocket's Larvitar. Oh, and a full art Hydrapple. Ooh, that's nice. And then we've got Zorora for the first pack. That is mint. Alright. Onto the second pack here. The one card I'm looking for out of this set is definitely the Mewtwo. I think that's what everyone's looking for. The Mewtwo, the Giovanni Full Art Mewtwo. Alright. Code card. There we are. And if I ever do go too quick with the code card, just remember that you can slow it down to replay it, and it will show it clearly. Alright, another basic energy. Ethan Slugma, Meditite, Wash Rotom, MC's Hype, Team Rocket's Golbat, Team Rocket's Archer, Wellspring Mask Ogerpon, Teal Mask Ogerpon, Sacred Ash. We got the Team Rocket's Mewtwo. Oh my gosh. I would be a bit more excited, but I do have to be a bit quiet today. But that is gorgeous. So, already a Hydrapple EX, and a Zorora, and the Team Rocket's Mewtwo. Alright, and that's only the second pack. Come on, people. I can't wait for pack number 6 to 10. Alright. Code card. There we go. One to the front. Alright. We've got basic fire energy, Primate, Dipplin, Electrite, Tallow, Marnie's Morgrem, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, Arvin's Toedscruel, Diplo, Ethan's Pikachu, a Crustle, and that's it for that one. Not so great for that deck, but that is a-okay. On to pack number 4. for number 4. Right, we've got a basic dark energy type. Not very special, anything about that. Oh, Team Rocket's Blipbug, Citadel, Marnie's Perleon, Team Rocket's Mareep, Misty Psyduck once again, Team Rocket Energy. That's nice. That is very nice. Team Rocket's Porygon Z, Cynthia's Roserade, Team Rocket Watchtower, and an Bolivia EX Full Art. That's actually really nice. I really like that. Wow. I really like that card art. Alright. Final pack. Come on. Give it the good old DB Slayer rub luck. Come on. By the way, I'll do this a lot more. I'll, rub the card packs a lot more. Come on. Final Mewtwo. It's giving me hope because of the Giovanni and Mewtwo. It's giving me some luck. Come on. Come on, Giovanni. Come on, Mewtwo. Come on. Come on. Even if we don't get something good from this pack, we have another 5 packs coming up soon. Alright. Code card. One to the front. Alright. Psychic Energy. Heat Rotom. Marie's Impidimp. Shroomish. Steven's Skarmory. Lurantis. I hated fighting this Pokemon in I think it was Pokemon Sun and Moon that this released, and I hated fighting it for some reason. Team Rocket's Receiver. I think it was because just the way it looked and popped up on the game, I did not like. Team Rocket's Nidoqueen, Heat Rotom, and Team Rocket's Retarded. That's not it. I thought there was only this one. A Arven's Mabostiff EX. I really love that. I really love that detail in the background. Oh, that is... Oh, the yellow and the purple with the Starry Night at the top there. That's nice. Wow. That is amazing. Alright. Now, unfortunately at the moment I do not have my card sleeves on me from last week, but don't worry, they will be going straight into my sleeves when I get sorted out back into my room. But let's show off everything that we got today. Alright, so in order from first to last, we got 3 EXs, 3 full arts, 1 holo foil, 1 foil I think this is, or holo. Either way, I would say these packs were much better than Prismatic Evolutions. So I will definitely be supplying some more of these, and if I can, I'm going to be getting, after these last 5, drumroll please, I'm going to try and get 20 more packs. So I will be opening 30 from this 5 to the next 5 that I'll be doing next week, to then the week after I will be doing a grand total of 20 packs. Alright everyone, I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. It is free to do it. You don't have to. Just supports me a little bit better. Yeah, I'll also, what I might do at the end of every video is try and show off the code cards as best as I can. So you have a better idea on what they were. Right, so that's all the 5 code cards there. Yeah, so have a lovely day. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to. And you guys have a lovely day. Peace.